Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file organizer. First, collect all your papers from various spots around your home or office. This initial step ensures you don't miss anything important. Next, begin to sort these documents into general categories. Think broadly, like household bills or important records. Finally, take a moment to discard any papers you no longer need, aiming to reduce your pile by at least 1/4. This clears space for what truly matters. Now that you have your broad categories, it's time to get more specific. Within your financial category, you might create subfolders for bank statements, tax documents, or receipts. Label each folder clearly and concisely using a permanent marker so you can easily find what you need. Consider using color-coded tabs. For example, all financial folders could have blue tabs, making retrieval even faster. This systematic approach saves valuable time. Maintaining your organized system is crucial for long-term success. Make it a habit to file new documents as soon as they arrive, preventing piles from forming again. Set a recurring reminder, perhaps once a month, to review your folders and remove any outdated or unnecessary papers. This keeps your system lean and efficient. Additionally, for critical documents, consider creating digital backups. This provides an extra layer of security and peace of mind. For those looking to take their organization to the next level, consider a portable file box for active projects or documents you access frequently. This keeps current tasks separate and easily accessible. Digitizing often used documents can also streamline your workflow, allowing for quick searches and reducing physical clutter. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your space tidy helps keep your mind clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.